He goes, that mousse was really good. I go, yeah, it's keto, and it was for me for like a week. He is an asshole. Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's kitchen.
Every week.
But my hands, I know. Well, it's nerve-wracking.
Yeah, that's why
I am making today Keto Fluffernutter Bars.
You know what fluffer is?
Fluffer. Yes, I do know what a fluffer is, and I don't want to talk about that right now. Okay?
Former career.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Fluffernutter Bars. Here we go. And I'm going to say this right now because I've already done keto before and gained my weight back, and I'm struggling this time with my keto, but I'm going to try to be good. The food part I got, but you know, I like sugar and I like sweets and I like, you know, snacking on candy stuff, and I never could find a good keto dessert recipe. So I'm searching. I hate when they taste like fake or like whatever. So here we go. Fluffernutter Bars. In here, I melted together a 1/4 cup of butter and 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter. It says to melt it in a large bowl. Okay, over here I have a 1.5 cups of almond flour, a 1/4 cup, a 1/2 cup of swerve brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of the collagen protein powder, which I've never used before, but apparently this is really good for you, so I got that. These are the marshmallows. They're kind of a little dense. And on the recipe, I think it says to combine it and everything and like try to melt the marshmallows. The lady that did the notes says that she just kind of cut them up and press them into the dough. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in, okay, so I have, sorry, I'm going to repeat it. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 cup of the collagen protein powder, 1/2 cup of swerve brown sugar, and 1.5 cups of almond flour. And that's going to go in here. Combine. Okay, so it says to press the dough, half part of the dough, most of the dough, into the pan, right? So we're going to do that. We're going to press this in there. Oops. Maybe a little more slippery than I thought it was going to be. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to incorporate these, and I cut extra just because I didn't know how much I would need to spread. This is 5/8 of a cup, which we did the math because the recipe calls for 60 grams or something, and I'm like, okay, I'm not a mathematician. And gently press these into the dough. I hope these are good because I like to have a good little snack, you know. I did make a mousse when I was on it before, and I made the mousse, and like your servings are like literally this size. So I made like a big thing of mousse, and I could take them all out. Guess who went up there? Who went in the fridge and ate like 3/4 of the mousse? Which brother of yours? Yes. He goes, that mousse was really good. I go, yeah, it's keto, and it was for me for like a week. Yeah. Take the remaining dough and crumble it over. I'm wondering if my dough's too wet. Let's crumble it over. How do I crumble this over? Okay, I'm going to bake it now 20 to 25 minutes until the top is lightly browned and the marshmallows are melty. So we'll be back in 20 to 25 minutes to see how this comes out. Hi, welcome back. We took them out of the oven because they had to cool a little bit, and I didn't really let them cool long. But look how good these look. And I'm going to tell you right now, they smell really good. To the point where Danny was upstairs sleeping, and he came down and he goes, what's that smell? So here's what they look like. And they're kind of gooey, ooey. Ooey gooey. Is that how you say it?
Nobody talks like that.
Ooey gooey. That's ooey gooey. Ooh. How am I going to eat this? Okay, there we go. Oh my god. Yay! Okay, these are really good. No, it can't be. It says 16 servings. That's how much you get. That's what a serving right there. That's one little square. I gotta cut them in 4s and 4s. 4 by 4 is 16, right? Okay. This is really a good recipe for a good sweet for keto. So this is my, I think it said that it's 5 grams of carbs. So I would bypass like my lunch or something and have this just with water. It's really good for something sweet. Because on my snack, I do a carb manager. It's called Carb Manager, and I get 17 grams of carbs a day. This would be 5 of it. Well worth it. I will post the recipe.
Talk with your mouth full.
Well,
You look like a lady.
like, it's very much, I was kind of like thinking, what are these marshmallows going to taste like? They are good. It's such a good recipe. I'm so happy. My girlfriends are waiting to find out. I sent them a little picture and they're like, how do they taste? Because I have like 3 friends that are on keto right now too, so. I will share the recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, check out In the Clinch and Press Conference. And I don't know where Chris is with the Desert Gems. Chris Adams, are you out there? Where's Tone and everybody else for your clickbait too? I'm going to call all those guys out. Tone, Michael, let's get it together. Thank you for joining us. I have no idea what I'm making next week. Oh, I did make steak bites, didn't I, Bill?
Yeah.
Keto steak bites, garlic butter steak bites. Oh my God, they were delicious. My granddaughter said the next day, I want more steak bites. So that's a new thing. So maybe I'll make those next week. Have a great night. Thank you for joining me. And like I said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And send me any recipes that you have that you want me to share on air, and I'll give you a shout out.